Hello everyone. In this module or this session, I'm going to show you how to complete the assignment 4a and 4b. Of course, I will start with the assignment 4a first. So assignment 4, we have two parts, the 4a and 4b. The 4a is to design a report in PowerBI desktop, and then assignment a 4b is to enhance the report in a PowerBI desktop. As usual, I download the template first. I've done that, then prepare. So this time we're going to create a report and then create multiple page and to publish the report. Yeah, okay. So to speed up, then I go directly to the learn on demand, then launch the virtual machine. So select the design the report in Power BI number 7. You can use also other lab, but this one is the most suitable. Okay, so open the virtual machine, then after that launch. This will take a while, but we're not going to wait. We go directly to the lab instruction. Okay, let's have a look on the what the template or what screenshot that we need to take to submit. Okay, so here you go. In the assignment folder, I already created the sample, and this one is for A. Yep, so the for A, we're going to open. So we will see what kind of the screenshot we need to take. Okay, so page 1, page 2, page 3. So we complete the report, then there are three pages, then we print each page. Yeah, then that's what we're going to submit. Okay, so we are ready now. So assignment story, in this assignment you will create a 3-page report. Yeah, okay. Then you publish to Power BI services. After that, you're going to learn how to design the report, configure visual field, and format the properties. Okay, access your environment, virtual machine, then we download this 06 design report. Copy, and then check the VM whether it's ready. Yeah, okay. So log on as the administrator, student. Yeah. Then after that, the password. Okay, then we can split this windows to get the bigger screen. Okay, after that, open the Edge to download the file. Don't forget to use the copy type text. Yeah, tap the clipboard. Okay. Yeah, so here you go. We have the folder, and we open the folder, then extract here. Extract. Okay, so here you go. So we have the starter, and then after that the solution, logo, the report, then we use the starter. Okay, we open the starter and follow the lab guide. Okay, we can close the browser. Now let's read the instruction. So we're going to create a report something like this. Yeah? So we have the logo, and then a slicer, and then the column and line chart, and then stack column chart and the cluster bar chart. Yeah? So in the Power BI, the vertical is column chart, and the horizontal is the bar chart. Yeah, so we're going to create something like this. So it's useful to create the layout before you create the report. Okay, so logo, slicer, and then the column chart and line chart, yeah, double, yeah, and then after that stack column chart and the cluster bar chart. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 6 visual. Okay, so that's a page 1. Yeah, rename the page to overview. Okay, so here the page 1, we rename the page 1 to become the overview. Okay, then after that we're going to create the slicer. So slicer is this one. Yeah, okay, we create slice, we create the logo first. Yeah, logo, Adventure logo. So how to add the logo? Insert, after that we have the images. Yeah, insert the image. So Adventure logo, AdventureWorks logo. Okay, too big. Okay, we're going to make it a bit smaller. Okay, I think this should be good. Yeah. Okay, so we create the slicer, and then after that in the slicer we're going to change. So you know that I follow these instructions to speed up. Yeah, so I just move to my other screen. So I'm not going to show you again the step by step, but I just quickly read through the instruction, then do it on the my Power BI. Okay, so make it align with the logo, then like this. Yeah, a bit small. Yeah, but I can enlarge. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Okay, so the first slicer after adding the logo, then the first that's the second control or the tile is the slicer. Okay, and then we're going to configure the slicer from the date year. So the year not in the hierarchy, but here date year. Yeah, put into the field. Okay, so the year is populated, but we want to change the style into the drop down. So go to the visualization here, and then format. Then after that format visual, and then after that in the visual slicer setting. Okay, one moment. Yeah, navigate to visualization, format the visual. Yeah, this one, and then after that visual. Okay, I think general. Yeah, visual, sorry, visual. After that slicer setting, this one, and then style. Okay, I think yeah, style. Yeah, option. Yeah, in this option. Then after that drop down. So simplify, because just one line. Yeah, okay, like this. When you need, then you pop up. Okay, then it will come out with the value, the field, the slicer. Okay, the next one is you're going to add another slicer. So in the year slicer, open the drop down list, select FY 2020. Yeah, okay, this one. Okay, yeah, so you can do this selection. After that deselect slicer, and then after that create another one, which is for the region. So I click again another slicer, I put here. Okay, so the value is a region, not the hierarchy. Okay, yeah, this one. Then after that in the selection, in the visualization, we want to deselect. Okay, yeah, so this correct. Yeah, if you compare with just now the image or the page. Yeah, okay, like this. So on the left part, yeah, year, sorry, Adventure Works logo. After that, the year FY 2020. Okay, after that, the compare again here. Yeah, then the region, Australia, Canada, and so on. Yeah. So now we're going to add this tree. Yeah, the column and the line chart. Okay, so I move back to the first screen. Okay, we're going to add the new visual, which is the line and stack column. Yeah, line and stack column. So the line and stack column is this line and stack column chart. Yeah. Okay, so you add this, and then you make a alignment. After that, yep, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to configure this visual. First, drag and drop the following field into the visual: date, month, and sales. Date, month, yeah, here, and then after that, into the drag and drop the following fields into the visual. Okay, so wait. Yeah, so the first is the month, date, month, and then after that the sales, date, month, and sales. Okay, yeah, so I remove the filter. Okay, in the visual pane located in the visualization, notice the fields are assigned to the axis. Okay, x-axis and column y-axis. So we need to make the adjustment. Yeah, this one is the x-axis month. Yeah, and then after that the column y-axis. X-axis month, column y-axis. Okay, good. Yeah, so we already have this one. And then after that, date month, yeah, date month is the axis. Okay, yep. So let's have a look. Month. Okay. So this is a month, correct? And then 20 July, correct? August. Yeah. Okay, correct. Yeah. And then after that, on the vertical is sales, sum of sales. Okay, so this should be the sales. Yeah, no summarization. So this one okay, let's see, one moment. Okay, we return back the filter just now, the FY 2020. Yeah, okay, now the column is exactly as the sample, this one. Like this. Yeah, now we need to add the line. So now we're going to add the line, the value for the line, because this one is this, yeah, the line and stack column chart. Okay, so according to the instructions, you're going to add the sales profit margin into the line y-axis. Yeah, so here line y-axis. So sales profit margin. So go to the sales after that the profit margin here. Line y. Okay. Here you go. Yeah, okay. So exactly the same, yeah, as a sample. Okay, so maybe you drag a little bit down, yeah. Okay, then after that the profit margin. Okay, good. So yeah, back to this profit margin. Okay, after that continue. Notice that the visual only 11 months, yeah, you see here, because the sales on the 2020 June is actually empty, zero, yeah, we don't have, yeah. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So we're going to display even the sales is zero. So in the visual x-axis month, this one, yep, so click the arrow. After that show items with no data. Okay, yeah, so you see June 2020, yeah. Okay, deselect the chart, clicking any empty. Okay, click the white area here, and then you're going to add the stack column chart. Stack column chart is this, yeah, stack column chart. So put here. Yep, okay, not too big, like this, maybe, yeah. So just look at the sample, yeah, around half of the page. Okay, so this is the stack column chart. After that, in the x-axis, you're going to add the region country. Yeah, so region country you put into the x-axis, and then y-axis, sales. This one is a y-axis. Okay, yeah. Y-axis is sales, region is country, region country is in the x-axis, and region is the product category. Wait, the product category, this one, product, then another category you put under the legend. Yeah, product category legend. Okay, and this one is wrong, yeah. Let's check again. X-axis is a region country. Okay, it's not count, yeah, so no summary. Okay, wait, region country in the y-axis is sales. Y-axis sales. Yeah, and then the x-axis is the region country. Okay, region country. Yeah, so here you go. Oh, one moment. That's two. Okay. Okay. So because here count, yeah, this one should not be count. So no summary. Let's check the country here. Yeah, do not summarize. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, I think just now I choose the wrong report. It should be the stack column chart. So the stack column chart is this one. Yeah, okay. Then after that, the country, region country in the X. Yeah, okay. So this is now there is a mistake here. Okay, so this is wrong. Yeah, this should be here. Sales should be here, and then after that, the region country is on the x-axis. Okay, this one's correct. Just now I was selecting the wrong visual, and also x and y are in the wrong places. Okay, the next thing is we're going to add the cluster bar chart. So here, cluster bar chart is here. Okay, here you go. Cluster bar chart, yeah. Okay. Yep. So more or less should be the almost half. Okay, yeah. So in the cluster bar chart, we're going to add the the data which contains the y is product category. Yeah, the y is product category. Go to the y because this is the horizontal. Yeah, and then x is a sales quantity. Sales quantity in the x. Like this. Yeah. Okay. Good. And then in the format, select the format. You're going to display the data label. Yeah, so this is useful to display. This one also, yeah, although the instruction doesn't ask you, you can put the data label. Okay, this one also, yeah. Otherwise, you have to estimate, yeah, cannot read the actual data. So you can enable the data label. Yeah, okay. A bit messy. Yeah, this one. That's right. Yeah. Okay, so that's page 1. Save the PowerBI desktop file, and then after that you're going to continue with page 2. Yeah, but let's